Alright, so what is up? My name is Tori Peters. I am an entrepreneur, artist, author, and illustrator of the book, The Power of Words for Teens. So today, I'm actually going to be showing you how to draw a unicorn. I'm trying out some different things, some different styles, and this is something that popped up when I went and searched how to draw. So obviously people are searching this. So I wanted to see and test out how this particular video would do on my channel. So let's go ahead and we will get started. Okay, so the unicorn I've decided to draw is actually in a style that I sort of almost created when I was a lot younger, and I thought it was super cute, so I decided we'll just go with this time. So you're gonna start off and you're gonna make sort of, it's almost a square, but it's a little longer at the top than it will be down at the bottom. So when you do it, it'll look like this. And you can add curves where you want or not add curves. We're gonna make the head pretty square for the beginning of this, alright? So I'll just erase this line right there, and you just want the top to be just a little bit bigger than the bottom there. So then we'll go ahead and I'll start off right here. So you're gonna make like a little curved line there, let it go flat, do another little curved line there. That's for the nose, and you'll put the mouth inside the little square. If you want, you can make them more even. They don't have to be even though, because honestly, very rarely are animals and people, for that matter, exactly even. So that's good. And then you can add a little nostril in there if you want. And we'll make a little smile here. Cool. And then we'll go straight up to the eyes. And it looks like my pencil's about to break, actually. So yeah, you'll do a little curved line there and go up for the eyelashes. You can make 1, 2, 5 if you want. You can go all the way across. Doesn't really matter. We'll do it again for this side. You can draw a little line there or just run your paper across so that it's sort of in the same spot. It doesn't have to be like I said. Like that eye is a lot larger than the other one. There you go. There. Okay, so that's the face of the unicorn, right? What you can do, we're going to do a little tuft of hair right here. It's the mane. So bring a little line down like this and curve it up, and then you're going to mimic it and go back down the opposite way. Just like that. And then you can give her a little extra piece of hair right here and another one on this side. How did I do that? Okay. Just like that. Or you can just do the one and do like 3 lines across it so that there's 3 different sections, because what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the mane with these 3 colors, and I'm going to outline it with this black. Okay, so now we're going to do the top of it, and we're going to do her ears. So make a line that goes up and curves at the top there into a point, and then you're going to do the point all the way down to the other side there so that it looks like a little ear. And then you can do a piece in the middle, and if you want, when you're coloring that, you can turn that pink on the inside there, because the inside of an ear would normally be pink. And you'll do it again on this side. There we go. And then we can make the horn. If you want, you can go just straight up and straight back down, or you can do curves up to the top there. And when you do the curves, what you'll do is you'll take this and make them go all the way down to the next line till you reach the top. And then you can either color it rainbow or you can make it one color, however you want to do that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll go down to the body. And we'll start right here actually. So it's just, if you're doing the whole page, it's about an inch from the side of the head there. If you're not doing the whole page, then just make it go a little bit further than the mouth would be. You want to go all the way down to about there. You'll do the same thing on the other side. You'll do a line at the bottom there on each side, and you bring it up to the top. There we go. We'll just erase that line since that wasn't supposed to be there anyway. And then if you want, you can give her a necklace. Which is just a bunch of circles, like beads. There you go. And then you can either leave her like that, as sort of a standing up unicorn, or you can make her sitting down, which is what I normally end up doing. Just like this. I'm going to bring a line across there, because that's her stomach. And then you'll do it again from this side. You just bring a half little curved line like this all the way down. Bring it down like that. Over like this, and you'll do a line right here on each of the hoofs to show that they are hoofs. And actually, I'm going to bring this up a little bit because I like the skinnier one, I think. And actually, I don't really like that line there, but you can add it if you want to. Yeah, and then you can add a tail right back here. And the way you'll do it is you'll just bring a curved line up like this, and then you'll bring it down till it reaches a point, and then you'll bring it back like this. And actually, I think I'm just gonna let it be nice and big and flowy. Just like that. And not bring it. Normally I'll make them like smaller where they attach to the body, but since you can't see the back of her anyway, it's probably going to be just that wide all the way through anyway. So then you'll bring that line there up. And you bring this line here up like that. And there you go. And then you can add a little blush there if you want to make her a little bit cuter. If you want, you can do different types of eyes as well. I have a video that shows you how to do 5 different kinds of eyes. If you want to see that, I'll leave it in the description below, and yeah, that'll show you how to do a different type of eye than these. So for sure, stick around and I will show you the finished product of how it turns out after I've colored in my unicorn. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit subscribe for me, because I would love to have you guys join me on my channel. And yeah, what's your favorite kind of animal? Leave that in the comments below. What is your favorite animal? Mine is actually a red panda, and I did a drawing just like this as a red panda. So if you guys want to see that, maybe eventually I'll show you guys that as well. But yeah, tell me what your favorite kind of animal is down in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great adventure today. Enjoy this little speed art.